Here are some tips on how to make good videos. Plan your video. Before you start filming, take some time to plan your video. What are you going to talk about? What kind of footage do you need? How are you going to edit the video? Having a plan will help you stay on track and make the best use of your time. Use good quality equipment. If you want to make good videos, you need to use good quality equipment. This doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune, but you should invest in a decent camera and microphone. You may also want to consider investing in a tripod and lights. Film in good lighting. Good lighting is essential for making good videos. If you're filming indoors, try to film near a window or use artificial lights. If you're filming outdoors, try to film on a cloudy day or use a reflector to bounce the sunlight back into your subject. Edit your video. Once you've filmed your video, it's time to edit it. This is where you'll add music, sound effects, and transitions. You may also want to trim the video and remove any unnecessary footage. Add titles and captions. Titles and captions are important for making your video more accessible. They can help viewers understand what your video is about, and they can also help people who are hard of hearing or who don't speak the language you're speaking. Promote your video. Once your video is finished, it's time to promote it. Share it on social media, submit it to video sharing websites, and reach out to other YouTubers in your niche. By following these tips, you can make good videos that will engage and inform your audience. Here are some additional tips. Be yourself. People can tell when you're being genuine, so let your personality shine through in your videos. Be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. The more creative you are, the more likely people are to watch your videos. Have fun. Making videos should be enjoyable, so don't take it too seriously. If you're having fun, your audience will have fun too.